Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm continuing the Breville. I'll run you through a little bit of where I'm up to with that. But this will be my last video for this year. We're going away on a holiday down to Tasmania. So we'll be gone for a few weeks there. I may get the odd video done, but according to my wife, a little bit about pleasure, not so much radio on that trip. But I'll be still looking around for some old antiques and, just looking around the place. So I'll keep us informed of what we find. Now, that will be on my other channel, Travel, See and Do, and we'll document the trip, so forth. We'll keep you up to date with what we see, what we're doing, our little old caravan, how we get around on a budget. So we've got to do it cheap. So, we'll keep us informed on that one. But back to this radio. The chassis is now painted. I think you've seen this, ready to go. It's come up quite nicely. You can see it there. I've just got to keep an eye on the camera there to make sure that you can see the thing. And, underneath certainly looks pretty good. Now, what I used there was a steel primer. We've cut that back and stripped it right back, and have coated it with it's an anti-corrosive steel primer. So that's what I'm using there. Now, the bits and pieces, here they all are. Our IF cans, a little bit ragged around the top, but not too bad. They've come up pretty well. The valve cans, I've got wires on these while I was painting them. Valve cans, pretty good. I've just masked off the areas that need to be making contact. So, for instance, masked off here so it doesn't get any paint on it, and here so that when it goes on it makes good contact, and the same with between here and the valve. The valve base itself, I've masked off that area on both sides so that when these are put back into gear, it will make good contact with the bases. Now, if I can keep them all together there. Now, that being aluminium, what I've used there after I stripped the old goldish colour off was etch primer. So that's what I'm using on the aluminium cans to undercoat and protect them, well, hopefully forever. And the finished product, which I haven't, done anything yet, is it's actually a metallic gold. Now, this more or less matches what the radio had on it, as you saw when we started on it. So there it is. It's a Dulux product, and the lighting's not real good in here. Can I get a little bit of light on him? There he is. So there you go. It's Duramax, and this one, is metallic gold. All right, so we'll be doing that probably before I go away, which will be just after Christmas. So there's where I'm up to. I'll give you a snippet of the painting. Thank you very much, everyone, for subscribing, for following me this year. And I'll put on the end of this video just probably a little bit of this painting, but a snippet of the radios, what we've done over the last 12 months, but we'll condense him right down just into a few pictures that the befores and afters. So, all right, the last video, I wish everyone, and if you're in Australia, a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope you have a beauty. And if you're elsewhere in the world, happy holidays. I guess that's the correct thing to say in other countries. But here in Australia, it's beauty, mate. Yeah, we'll have a cracking Christmas. All right. So until the next video comes out in 2024, I'll sign off. If you want to see where I am in Tassie, follow me on. We'll put a link below in the description on Travel See and Do. So we'll be heading around. Okay, guys, we'll catch you later. Bye for now.